Hey friends, let me show you how I make fabric patches on a gel press. You'll need some smooth white cotton fabric, laser cut printouts, and clear gloss spray. Spray your laser prints with the clear gloss and let dry. This technique coats the toner and makes your laser prints work perfectly as an image transfer. Iron your cloth perfectly flat. Next, coat your gel press with black acrylic. I'm a fan of Amsterdam acrylics for this technique. Press your image on the gel press for about 10 seconds and then carefully remove it to reveal your images. You might have to experiment a little bit, times might vary. When the black paint is dry, add different acrylic colors over the top and distribute with a brayer. The decorative fabric patch evolved from practical mending dating back to ancient China, the 5th and 3rd century BC, and the Mediterranean. Artisans began transforming simple fabric scraps into ornate hand-stitched emblems for royalty. By the Middle Ages, knights used them for battlefield identification, laying the foundation for modern insignia. Immediately add your fabric over the paint and press flat. You can use a sheet of paper over the top just in case the paint bleeds through the fabric. During the 1960s and 70s, patches transitioned from strict uniform identifiers to symbols of rebellion. Youth movements sewed peace signs, band logos, and political messages onto denim jackets to express individuality. Here's where you have to be patient. You want to let this dry for about an hour and 20 minutes or longer. Once your paint is dry, carefully remove the fabric from the gel press to reveal your amazing printed fabric. If you have a few little white spots, you can take a small brush and touch them up. Now all you have to do is cut them up and stitch them down. Make sure to say hi in the comments and let me know what you think of this project. I'm going to leave a link to everything I use for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want inspiration that I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.